And did you know you can grow crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and flavorful herbs right inside your home, even when it's cold outside? Indoor gardening isn't just possible. It can keep your family eating fresh, homegrown vegetables all fall and winter long. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to get started with indoor gardening basics. Indoor gardening allows you to take control of your food supply, save money, and enjoy nutrient-packed vegetables year-round. In this video, we'll cover what vegetables thrive indoors, how to set up your growing space, and strategies to keep your garden productive through the colder months. Not every vegetable is ideal for indoor gardening, so let's start with the best ones. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale are quick growers and don't need much space. Root crops such as radishes and green onions also thrive in containers. For something more adventurous, cherry tomatoes and dwarf pepper plants can do well indoors if given enough light. And of course, fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, and basil are always a good choice for beginners. The right container and soil make all the difference. Choose pots with good drainage and pair them with a high-quality potting mix, not garden soil. Potting mix is lighter, retains moisture better, and prevents compacting, which is key for root growth. A simple rule: the deeper the pot, the happier your roots will be. Light is the biggest challenge for indoor gardening in fall and winter. Even a sunny window often isn't enough. That's where grow lights come in. Full-spectrum LED grow lights mimic natural sunlight and are energy efficient. Most vegetables need about 12 to 14 hours of light per day. Place lights a few inches above your plants and adjust as they grow taller. Indoor plants can dry out faster than you think, especially with heating systems running in the winter. Water consistently, but don't overdo it. Roots need air as much as they need water. A simple way to check: stick your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. To maintain humidity, you can mist leaves or place a shallow tray of water near your plants. Vegetables like cooler temperatures, usually between 60 and 70 degrees. Avoid placing plants near heat vents or drafty windows. Good air circulation also prevents mold and mildew. A small desk fan on low speed works wonders to keep plants healthy. The best part of indoor gardening is harvesting fresh food right when you need it. Leafy greens can be harvested by picking the outer leaves, allowing the center to keep growing. Herbs can be trimmed regularly to encourage bushier growth. Remember, the more you harvest, the more your plants produce. I still remember the first winter I grew lettuce indoors. I was amazed at how fresh and crisp it tasted compared to store-bought. There's something deeply satisfying about stepping away from the cold outside and picking your own vegetables right from your living room. Indoor gardening is one of the best ways to keep fresh, healthy food on your table all year. With the right setup, you'll be amazed at what you can grow inside your home this fall and winter. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and become part of the family so you never miss future gardening tips.